Would you rather have a pet cat or a pet dog? Would you rather encounter a wise owl or a colorful parrot? Would you rather swim with a playful dolphin or a majestic shark? Would you rather admire a beautiful butterfly or a fascinating spider for its web building? Would you rather be as fast as a cheetah or as powerful as a lion? Would you rather journey with a sea turtle or a mesmerizing jellyfish? Would you rather live in a colony of penguins or with a solitary polar bear? Would you rather be as strong as an elephant or as tall as a giraffe?